Yan o mga office mates. Dalawa lang kaming aakyat. At saka itong isang to, hindi namin alam kung gaano karami yung kasama nito. Ito yung trail sa Tumbledown. So, dito kami mag-start. Yan. Bali, back trail lang kami. Start na kami. So, this is Wendell. Hello! Pahinga muna tayo mga office mates. Bali pala si Wendell. Nakasama namin siya nung first namin pumunta dito sa US. Nung kami sa Yellowstone Park, Devil's Tower, buong almost a week kasama namin siya. Bali siya friend siya ni Marty. So siya dito sa Maine. Talagang lumaki siya dito. And 4 years old pa lang inaakyat niya na tong Tumbledown Mountain. So part siya ng fire department. Tapos rescuer rin siya na kung may something na nangyari dito, siya yung isa sa nauuna na na pumupunta dito para mag-rescue kahit may snow. Grabe yung taas ng bundok na to. Para mag-rescue ka sa ganito, kailangan kabisado mo, tsaka kailangan malakas ka pa rin sa edad nila. Ang lalakas pa nila. Ito pala yung pinaka-hardest trail. Kala ko kanina isa sa lang.
But this is the easiest part of the trail.
So nasa easiest part pa lang pala kami. Ito malaki daw to na maple tree. Yung may mga ganyan na na sanga. Yan. Malaking puno daw yan.
This one here is a mountain ash.
This one?
This one. It's a mountain ash. When it gets bigger, it gets like orange berries on it.
Can we eat that?
The birds like them, but I don't think they're good for us.
So guys, ito na daw yung yung pinaka-challenging part. Yung paakyat na. So na kami dun sa sa paanan. Oh, sige ito, laki ng kahoy. Wow. Wala masyadong lupa more on rocks yung mga trail. Grabe, nice view. Wow. What kind of pine tree is this?
That's beautiful. A fir tree.
Oh.
Douglas, I think it's a Douglas fir.
Wow, guys, ganda.
Right here, these are cranberries, wild cranberries.
Oh, this is the one that you're mentioning?
Yep. There's some blossoms right there, so those will be fruit. So they'll get the red tart berries, you know, make cranberry juice from and whatever. But
wow, mga office mates, mga blueberries daw to. Guys, pati yung mga bato kumikintab. See? Oh, baka may ginto dito.
Oh, the shiny? Yeah, that's mica.
Mica?
Yeah.
So guys, we're back on the trail. So daan na tayo dun sa sa magandang trail dun, yung magandang view. So back tayo dito, papunta na tayo dun sa kabilang bundok. Nakita rin ako ng coca ko sa bundok. Hello. Grabe, sobrang tarik. Guys, ito yung sinasabi ni Wendell na mica. So nasa mga rock siya. Ito daw yung ginagawang salamin ng mga sinaunang panahon. So guys, ito na daw yung Batman's Misery. So kailangan natin umakyat dito. Oops. So this is the Batman's Misery.
It's the start of it. Yep.
So guys, ayan Ayan, tingnan natin bakit tinawag na Batman's Misery. Are we going down?
Yep.
Is this the only trail?
Well, this isn't part of the trail.
So we're leaving.
Most people come up there and they turn and go up there, and they have no idea this is here.
Oh.
And they miss it completely.
Oh. Guys, hindi natin alam gano'ng kalalim to. So we need to go backward.
Don't have to, but you need light?
No, it's
No?
okay. Guys, wow. Whoa. Wow.
So this crack right above you, over here, this
yeah.
one here, that one's called lemon squeeze.
This one?
Yep, it goes kind of to the left, right out through there. That's called lemon squeeze because bigger people can go through that one. But this one down here is very, very tight.
This is lemon squeeze, and this one?
That one down, go down a little further.
I think we need some lights here.
Yeah.
Ilaw tayo, guys. Ooh. Are you sure?
Yep. Yep.
Wow.
Done it hundreds of times.
So, guys, di ko alam kung magkakasya tayo dito. Pero I think, magkakasya naman tayo. Kaya siya tinawag na Patman's Misery. Hindi magkakasya dito yung ano. Medyo matataba. Wow. How will you fit here? Oh, shit.
So that's Fat Man's Misery.
So what will be the goal here?
You kind of go feet first.
Like this one?
Yeah. And when you get to the end of it, it drops down into another crack.
Like sideways? Like this?
You can do that. Whatever works for you. Yep.
Is it okay to hold this? And
Oh, yep.
have a video?
Yep.
So that I have the next...
I don't know. Can I?
Just like... No, the other side.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Oh, let me get down in there a little more.
Then I'll get this one later. Oh man. Shit. Whoa, I made it.
Hooray!
How can I
I'll have to come through part way and hand these to you.
One.
So now you can follow that crack out to the end, and it just drops right off. So you can only go, watch your step when you get out there.
Okay. So you will meet in the other way?
I'll just wait. I can wait here for you.
I'll just get there, then I will go back here.
Oh, take your time. Because there's a wicked, beautiful view there.
Okay. So, sure.
Yep, you can go down a little more till you get down to the ground there. I mean, in the bottom of the crack. Yeah.
So, hindi to yung trail, guys. Pero, shit. See? So, ito yung reward. Wow! Wow! Whoa!
Huh?
Nice view!
Yeah.
Even the lake.
Yeah.
Wow! Wow! So not everyone can see this one on this side.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was a little crazy. He has no fear of heights at all, so yeah.
So we need
I
to
don't
go
have a fear
back.
of it, but I give it.
Whoa. See? See here? Gawin lang natin. Man.
Bugs?
No.
Oh.
How will I go back here?
When it's windy outside, the wind just whistles through here. It's really, really neat.
Can you?
I think I can. Yep.
Thank you. And this one, please. It's already playing.
Okay.
But now my problem is how will I go? Oh no.
Yep. And I've seen people come down here and get partway through this and kind of get stuck, and they start to freak out, you know, because they don't know
what to do.
Yep.
Wow. Is this the right side? I am.
I gotta move here.
Let me see. How to. I think I need to. I'm not bad, but it's like it's hard for me.
Yeah. There's nothing to hold on to. That's part of it too. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see the technique. Wow. This is the first time I experienced this kind of.
Yeah.
I think I'm good.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So mga ka-office mates, etong dinana namin, ito yung Patsman's Misery. Kaya lang, meron kasing may umakyat dito na nag-write ng book, who writes a book that the Devil's Kitchen there, yun daw yung tinutukoy na Patsman's Misery sa libro. Pero ang totoo, the Patsman's Misery is this one, and not the
Devil's Kitchen.
And not the Devil's Kitchens there.
You'll see it here.
Okay, so titignan natin yon. Pero most of the people here who hike, they thought that that one is the Patsman's Misery because that is along the trail and not this one. So we just need to correct that one.
Walk down. He was yelling out in pain. Yeah, it was.
Wow. So guys, ito yung Devil's Kitchen na inaakala nilang Patsman's Misery. So we're going inside there?
Yep, right up. Yep.
Oh, come on. Kala ko dadaanan lang. So yan, papasok na naman.
Not there. You're gonna go up through here and go to the right.
On
Right
this
there.
side?
Yep.
Okay. So let's go. Do a video. Okay guys, ito na. Wow. So I understand now why Marty don't want me to be here.
It's not a race, you know. It's just to go up and have a good time and experience it. So. Yep.
So there's a ladder here.
Yeah.
Okay. And you need to crawl.
You put your foot right in here.
Mm-mm.
Right in there. There's a little step like that.
Okay. So this is Wendell. No, it's okay. I'll just put it in my pocket. How hard it is. Ooh. Wow. So later we will go down again.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Wow, nice view.
Yeah.
So let's go. Wow. Ganda dito mga ka-office mates. Kakaibang summit naman to. Oh, pure rocks. Kumikintab pa. So yan guys, mga blueberries.
Cranberries.
May cranberries rin.
There's actually some.
Okay, so may nakasama kami oh. Solo natin yung bundok mga ka-office mates. Sabi nila maraming umakyat dito pag weekend pero this time wala. Timing, tiyempo lang daw. Wow. Oh, that's the surprise. Wow. Guys, may lake. Thank you for watching.
You're welcome. Hope you had a good time.